Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E32s, and today I would like to show you how you can find all your downloads on this Motorola. You need to start by locating an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. If you never used it before, click on Continue and tap on Browse at the bottom in the middle after selecting Got It in the pop-up. Now click on Downloads category, and as you can see, all my downloaded files are here. If you wish to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!